How do zoos ethically source food for animals? Imagine walking into a zoo and seeing animals happily munching away on their meals. Have you ever wondered where that food comes from and how it's obtained responsibly? Today, we're exploring how zoos make sure their animals get food that's both good for them and kind to the planet. Zoos carefully choose their food suppliers to meet strict standards for animal health, welfare, and environmental care. The process starts with understanding what each animal needs to stay healthy. For example, a tiger needs a diet rich in meat, while a giraffe requires leaves and branches. Nutritionists work out exactly what each species needs, making sure their diets mimic what they'd eat in the wild. Zoos prefer to source food locally whenever possible. This means buying from nearby farms or suppliers to cut down on transportation emissions. Some zoos even grow their own food on site using vertical farms, which stack plants in layers to produce fresh vegetables and herbs. This way, they reduce reliance on external sources and support local agriculture. When selecting suppliers, zoos look for those who follow responsible practices. This includes humane treatment of farmed animals, legal compliance, and sustainable farming methods. They avoid suppliers involved in illegal wildlife trade or overharvesting wild plants. Modern zoos often use technology to track and verify that their suppliers meet these high standards, ensuring transparency. Ethical sourcing also aligns with conservation goals. Zoos follow international rules that protect wild populations and ecosystems. They make sure their food procurement doesn't harm the environment or threaten species in the wild. For example, they avoid buying foods that come from endangered plants or animals. To reduce waste, zoos carefully monitor how much food each animal eats. They use data to plan purchases so they don't buy more than needed. This helps cut down on food waste and saves resources. For those working in animal care and nutrition roles, understanding these sourcing practices is key. You might coordinate with suppliers, plan balanced diets, or manage sustainable food programs. All these efforts support animal health, protect the environment, and help zoos fulfill their conservation missions. It's a team effort that makes sure animals get the right food in the right way every day.